Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening the Our Generation Party Planning set, and this was from Target in the Our Generation section, and it retails for $20. So here is what it looks like in the box. It basically is just food, and I think the food's really cute, and it could be for American Girl dolls, which it's going to be for. So now I'm going to unbox it. I would say this set is quite good quality for $20, and I would definitely recommend it, and you can find this in Target. Thank you for watching, bye!